everybody, Gina DeLuca here. All right, today I will be doing another test pour with the Rick Mix ready to pour paints. Usually I use these colors together when I do test pours. I have magenta, yellow, blue, and white. I'll do a traveling ring pour, I'll do a flip cup with no silicone, and then I'll do a flip cup with silicone. The flip cup without silicone had so many cells, I dare not put silicone in there. There is no reason for that. But I want to try a straight pour. So that's what we're going to be doing today. For those who want to receive notifications of when my videos are coming out, I have been told that folks are having a hard time getting notifications. Someone who has subscribed and clicked the bell in the past said they got 4 notifications out of my last 39 videos. So if you are subscribed or you're going to subscribe, be sure to hit that bell so that you get the notifications. And if you've already hit the bell, unclick it and then click it again. Sorry for the inconvenience of that, but something's going on with YouTube, and that's the only workaround I can think of. Okay. Before I get this started, I need to show you my Fluid Art inspiration cards. These are available at my website. They are 52 cards, 42 techniques, and each technique card has a video associated with it, which will give you all of the details on the colors, exactly what you need, the consistency, how to do it. There is a color palette in the card that associates with that, and there's a little box that has a tip. These 2 boxes are meant to go together as a 2-color pour, or you could just add black or white or whatever other color. So there are also 8 bonus color palette cards, each having 5 color palettes. And again, you could use some of the colors, use all of the colors. So if you're having a hard time coming up with what technique to do, what colors to use, and I've even had people tell me that they're using these cards for their beadwork and watercolors, and so having color palettes that you just choose out of a deck of cards takes some of the decision out of it. And if you're anything like me, that's a welcome thing. You do not want to go to the diner with me when you're hungry. It's too many choices. Okay, I'm going to lay down a base coat to give my paint something to slide around upon. I find this to be the best way of controlling my composition. Okay, my base coat is down. Now I'm going to put some paint in a cup. I'm not going to use all 3 colors because that could really generate a lot of mud if it does not react the way that I like. So I'm going to do the white, yellow, and magenta, starting with the white. I want that to be my background. Doing about 1 ounce of each. Do I want the yellow on the inside or the magenta? Ooh. Actually, we'll go with magenta. Okay. All right, well, the magenta didn't sink. We'll see what happens. Might wind up with white on the inside. All right, I have some left over for skins. Let's tilt this about. I used more paint than I needed. Naughty girl. Oh, I see evidence of schmutz. If you can see this right here, this is what you want to look out for when you're tilting. Just one little area that seems to not go with the rest of it. That usually means there's something in your paint that is causing resistance. Just want to catch that magenta and stretch that to try to get a little symmetry going there. Okay, I'm gonna let this sit and see what happens. Back in a few. Okay, here it is. This is dry. The painting is, not the table. But you can see I did get cells. You can also see that my painting, my canvas, was not properly leveled. That is why it ran off the side as it did. Very naughty. But there it is. I do like the results for the straight pour. There you have it. All right. Well, I hope you learned something. Just a note, these paints, as far as I am aware, are not available to the public yet. But they will be at rickcheadle.com and counterculturediy.com. When they are available, that's where you'll find them. All right, well, please check out the description box below for links to my PayPal tip jar, if you feel so inclined. Also, there is now a Venmo tip jar. They don't take a cut, so we like the Venmo. My website, DeLuca.net, where you can purchase my art and music and the Fluid Art inspiration cards. The link to Go Make Some Art, our Facebook group. Join us there. Post your masterpieces, ask your questions, get some inspiration. What else do we have in there? My Amazon store. Most of the items that I use can be found in the Amazon store. The link is in the description box. However, if you enter through that link, anything that you purchase off the entire site of Amazon, I will receive a small commission of at no additional cost to you. So when you're buying your new tractor mower or bidet because everyone's out of toilet paper, use that link. Help a sister out. Doesn't cost you a penny more. I always feel like I'm forgetting something here at the end. My new CD, Better Than Chocolate, that is available at GinaDeLuca.net for download or purchase a signed physical copy. You can also check out the music video for the title track Better Than Chocolate right here on the YouTube. It's there. Should be popping up at the end of this video if I remember to do my end cards, because again, I'm naughty. All right, you guys, I hope you learned something. I hope you have a beautiful day. Please remember to click that bell to get notifications of new uploads. All right, have a beautiful day, y'all. Go make some art.